Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials. Install Apple Music from Google Play and confirm your phone runs Android 8, 0 or newer. Once done, make sure you know your Apple ID email and password so sign-in can proceed without interruptions. If you use two-factor authentication, keep a trusted Apple device or your phone number ready to receive the verification code. Next, open the Apple Music app and tap the account or sign-in prompt to begin the sign-in flow. You'll now follow the sign-in flow inside Apple Music. Tap Sign In and type your Apple ID and password carefully. Capitalization matters. After submitting, watch for the two-factor authentication prompt. Either tap Approve on a trusted Apple device or enter the numeric code sent to your phone. Make sure to grant the app permissions for media, storage, and notifications so downloads and playback function correctly. Once authenticated, the app syncs your library and recommendations. Complete setup by checking your subscription status under For You or Account. Make sure your playlists and liked songs appear. If something's missing, refresh the library or sign out and sign back in to force a resync. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall Apple Music. This often fixes corrupted tokens. Finally, if verification codes never arrive, open Apple ID settings on a trusted device to review trusted phone numbers, or run account recovery with Apple. This resolves most access issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.